The most optimistic or the most blinded by financial greed tell you that these Bitcoin spot ETFs will then enable owners of shares in these ETFs to convert to Bitcoin ownership in self-custody. Unfortunately, I find this hard to believe. Even more so when I hear financiers coming to promote Bitcoin, or rather their financial products offering Bitcoin without any control to their clients. Their words are always the same: Bitcoin is rare, with no more than 21 million units in circulation. To hear them tell it, they're only interested in the convenience of Bitcoin. They see Bitcoin as gold 2.0. A gold adapted to the digital world of today and tomorrow. You'll never hear them tell you that Bitcoin's real interest is in giving you back the power. Bitcoin gives you back the power over the fruits of your labor. With Bitcoin, you decide. You do what you want and no one can impose their wishes on you. When you own Bitcoin via a BlackRock or Fidelity financial product, you own nothing. It's just a promise that has no value. These powerful Wall Street financial institutions work for governments. Some are trying to say that these Bitcoin spot ETFs will further protect Bitcoin from a possible ban by the US government. The hypothesis of a ban has been agitated as a threat by Ray Dalio since 2021. Outlawing Bitcoin is a good probability. Back in the 30s and the war years, the government feared flight from the dollar to gold, and so they outlawed private ownership of gold, and they also established foreign exchange controls, because they didn't want the money to go elsewhere. Anyone who understands why Bitcoin exists knows that talking about banning Bitcoin is as absurd as trying to ban the internet. China failed miserably in its attempt in 2021, for example. America won't do any better.